In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open System Apps folder, and from it select Recorder app that's already on your INFINIX. Now, hit Allow in all pop-ups and then use this gear at the top right corner. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're finished, go back. Now use red button at the bottom to start recording. Hit Allow. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To discard it, click on this X at the top right one, and to end it and save it, use checkmark at the bottom right one. Now, after your recording will show up here, you can either hold it and use all of those options at the bottom, informations about it, share, rename, or delete, or you can tap on it to listen to it. Sorry, misclick. Then manage it from here. You can add bookmarks while listening thanks to this button on the left. You can share it thanks to the right one, pause it or play it thanks to the middle one, and click on this icon at the top right corner here. Select Agree, and then pick your language if you want to create summary of your recording. Just tap on the Generate Note. Then hit Allow, and wait. If you want to delete any of your bookmarks, click on bin icon next to the chosen one. When your summary is ready, tap on the Notes app, tap on Set Password or Cancel, and check it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!